Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Holden Captiva stock number 6430. This ran from the 1st 2011 to the 6th 2018. It has a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left rear door 1 dent, left rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front kiddie light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,